Hi students, a very good morning. In this class, we are going to learn English grammar. Okay? English grammar. In English grammar, till what we have learned, nouns, right? Plurals, nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, abstract nouns, right? Proper nouns, common nouns, we have learned. And the last part was possessive nouns. We have learned that. Yes, no? Now the next topic is pronouns. Okay? Now take out your textbook. It is page number 33. Take out your textbook. See, this is your textbook, right? Page number 33. And last class, you all have got one homework. I hope you have done. Correct the words in bold. See what we would have to write. My father name, father name. There you have to add S, fathers. After R, apostrophe S. Like that you have to do, right? Father's name, mother's name, friend's name, Renu's house, book's name. This was the thing you have to do. I hope you all have completed. Now, in this class, we are going to learn about pronouns. Now, what you will do? Take out your pencil, eraser, your textbook. You should not write with a pen in your textbook. See, even I have also written with a pencil itself. You should also write with your pencil. Use your pencil and write. Okay? See, what is pronouns? Pronouns are the words which are used in the place of nouns. Okay, nouns what we have learned, the names of place, person, animal, thing. These all are the nouns, right? We all have learned. Pronouns means what? The pronouns are the words which we are using in the place of nouns. Okay, see, if a person means a boy or girl, he, she, right? Her, his, will use it, this. These are all the pronouns. Place, that. Yes, no, these are all the pronouns we are using in the place of nouns. In a sentence, we can't repeat the same thing. See now, Ramu is a good boy. Ramu is going to school. Ramu is taking his bag. Ramu is taking his lunch bag. Ramu is going to school by walk. We can't tell. Yes, no, in every sentence we are not adding Ramu. So instead of Ramu, we are adding he. Ramu is a good boy. He woke up at 7 o'clock. He got ready. He is going to school. Yes, no, he. We are using he. Instead of noun, we are using pronoun. This is what the pronouns, the words which are used in the place of nouns. Okay, understood? See now, they have given some examples. Read the following sentences. They have given some examples. She gave me a gift. She gave me a gift. She is a pronoun. Me, again, me is a pronoun. I am not telling my name. Me is a pronoun. She is a pronoun. Okay. See, next one. I gave her a book. I gave her a book. I and her. These are the pronouns. He runs fast. You can't beat him. He, you, him. These are the pronouns here. The bold letters, the bold words they have given. That bold words are the pronouns. See, they play very well. They, nobody can beat them. Them. It doesn't work. It. Can you fix it? It. For the things we are using it. Okay. For person, they, them, you, me, I, he, him, his, her, she. Yes, no? These are all the words we are using for the persons. For things, places, it will use. Okay? We went home. Uncle drove us home. We, again, we and us. They are the pronouns here. Understood? See now, the words I, we, you, they, he, she, it, them, us, me, him, and her are called personal pronouns. See here again in the pronouns, it is Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Which are those? I, we, you, they, he, she, it, them, us, me, him, and her. These are the personal pronouns. These are the personal pronouns. What are those? I, we, you, they, he, she, it, them, us, me, him, and her. These are the personal pronouns. Okay. So now turn to the next page. Here they have given the exercises. Replace the underlined nouns with pronouns as shown. Okay. They have given first one example also. Sagar and Pavan are my friends. Every day I play with Sagar and Pavan. Instead of Sagar and Pavan in the second sentence, what they have done? They have changed that Sagar and Pavan into them. Okay, in the third sentence, we can see they have changed that Sagar and Pavan into them. So, and all remaining second one, third one, 4, 5, 8 are there. We have to do remaining 7 exercises. Okay, all this we are going to do now. Take out your pencil, start writing with me itself. I'll tell orally also and I'll write on the board also. See that you're writing with me only. It is not incomplete. Okay. See now, first one they have done already. The second one, Mohan and Ravi are brothers, but Mohan and Ravi don't look alike. What they have given the underlined nouns, Mohan and Ravi, what we should do? Mohan and Ravi, we should change that into they. They don't look alike. See the next line they have given, in that line you need to write the answer. The next line they have given, right? For the answer, in that line we have to write the answer. Okay. See, write they. They. And remaining it is in the question itself. They don't look alike. Okay. They don't look alike. Third one, a bird makes nest. A bird lays eggs in nest. What we should do? A bird we are changing it into it. For a bird we are changing that bird noun into it. It lays eggs in them. It lays eggs in them. Okay. Next, fourth one. Trees are green. Trees keep the air clean. For that, what we'll write? Trees, they. They keep the air clean. Fifth one. Rana and you should not watch TV. Rana and you, these are the underlined nouns. Should go to bed early. Both should go to bed early. Both. Sorry, it is he and you. Okay. Both it is not given in the example. We'll write he and you. He and you he and you should go to bed early. He and you should go to bed early. Okay. Now next one, sixth one. My parents and I go to the movies on Sundays. My parents and I, this is the underlined words, eat out on Sundays. What we should change? We is enough. Okay. We eat out on Sundays. We eat out on Sundays. Next, father bought a car. Father drives the car. Okay, father and car. We have to change. What we'll write? He drives it. He drives it. Mother baked a cake. Mother baked the cake in an oven. The cake and mother, we have to change. What we'll do? For mother, we'll write she baked it in an oven. She baked it in an oven. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat. See, just the answers I'll repeat. Second one, first one already they have given. So second one, they don't look alike. They don't look alike. Third one, it lays eggs in them. They keep the air clean. Fifth one, he and you should go to bed early. Sixth one, we eat out on Sundays. Seventh one, he drives it. And the lastly, eighth one, she baked it in an oven. Okay, this is how we have to change the underlined nouns into pronouns. Copy down fast. If you are still writing, pause the video for 2 minutes, copy down fast. I hope all of you have completed. Yes, no? Still, if you are anyone writing, pause the video and write. Okay? I'll rub now. Okay, students, now come to the second main. It is page number 35. Come to the second main. Fill in the blanks with the given words. They have given some words. They have given some words. We have to use that and fill in the blanks. How we are going to do it? See, do you like your school? What we will tell for school? We are changing that school. Yes, I like it. Okay, do you like your school? Yes, I like it. What we are writing? First one, it is the answer. You have to write it. Okay, they have given blank, dash they have given, in that you have to write. Second one, do you like dogs? Yes, I like them. Okay. Do you like Neeraj? They have given, see, first, second, third, fourth, they have given. I am writing like this. But see the number, I am write the answer properly. Do you like Neeraj? Yes, I like him. Fourth one, do you like Anu? Yes, I like her. Fifth one, do your friends like you? Yes, my friends like me. Sixth one, do your friends like me? Yes, my friends like you. Seventh one, does the teacher like you and me? Yes, the teacher like us. Okay. See, do you like ice cream? Yes, I like it. Okay, this is how we have to write the answers. See, once again, I'll repeat. Do you like your school? Yes, I like it. Do you like dogs? Yes, I like them. Do you like Neeraj? Yes, I like him. Do you like Anu? Yes, I like her. See here, this is boy, this is girl, him, her. Yes, no? Do your friends like you? We are changing we are changing here. You means me. Yes, no, they are questioning. Do your friends like you? Means you are answering yes. They like me. Yes, my friends like me. Okay? Here again, see, do your friends like me? Questioning and answer is done by another one. Yes, my friends like you. Okay? Does the teacher like you and me? Yes, the teacher likes us. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like it. This is how we have to write. Okay? Now the next main. Tick the right pronoun. We have to tick here which is the correct pronoun. Here, I'll write the answer. I'll write the answer here. What you have to do, write the proper answer here and tick the correct answer, the box given there. For each option, I have given boxes, which is the correct option. You have to tick. Okay, put a right mark on in the box given and write the answer in the blanks given. Okay, see first one. We are waiting for her. Okay, we are waiting for her. Her, you write in the blanks given and tick the right in the box next to her. Understood? Second one, are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Third one, where are the boys? I can't see them. I can't see them. Fourth one, where is Harish? I want to talk to him. Fifth one, give him something to eat. Give him something to eat. Sixth one, can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? Seventh one, the teacher is taking us for a picnic. Us. She is saying something. Listen to her. Ninth one, did you tell him the news? 10th one, may I help you? 11th one, tell them to come here, them. And lastly, 12th one, shall I do it for you? You. Okay, see now, once again I'll repeat. First one, we are waiting for her. Okay, she, her. Her is the correct answer. Second one, are you coming with me? We are not telling, are you coming with I? We'll tell, no, are you coming with me? So we have to write me. Me is the proper pronoun. Where are the boys? I can't see them. Them, okay? Where is Harish? I want to talk to him. H-I-M, him. Give him something to eat. Him, again here, him. We are not telling give he something to eat. No. We are telling give him something to eat. Okay? Sixth one, can you show me the way? Me. Okay? Seventh one, us. The teacher is taking us for a picnic. U-S, us. Eighth one, she is saying something. Listen to her. Her. Ninth one, did you tell him the news? Him. 10th one, may I help you? Okay. 11th one, tell them to come here. Them. 12th one, you. Shall I do it for you? Okay. This is what your second and third exercise. And the next page, passage here, this is for your homework. I hope till here you have understood about the personal pronouns. In this, now again homework, it is fourth main. It is page number 36. Okay. Fourth main, page number 36. That is a passage. They have given one paragraph. I'll read that. I'll tell the answers also. If you want to do, you can do it now itself. Okay. Or else sit, think and do it properly. Underline the pronouns in the paragraph. They have given a paragraph. We have to underline the pronouns in that. Now you all know what are the pronouns. Me, my, they, them, he, him, she. Yes, no, you know what are the pronouns. Remember that and you have to underline the pronouns which are present in this. See, I am Akhil. I. This is my classroom. My. It is big. It. There are many benches and desks. They are for us to sit on. To sit on. They, us. Can you see the girl in the front bench? You. She is Amita. She. I like her. I, her. Rohan and Nitin are my friends. My. They are very nice. They. I have lunch with them. Them. Look at the boy standing. He is Yogi. He stands first in the class. He again. The teacher likes him. Him. Mrs. Ann is our class teacher. Our. She teaches us English. She and us. These are the pronouns. You have to underline it. And I hope you all have understood this. Only the personal pronouns we have learned. And in the next class, possessive pronouns. We are going to learn about possessive pronouns. Okay, till here, I hope you all have understood. Complete the exercises. Okay, if you are not completed, you know, just pause for 2 seconds, write fast and play it. Okay, don't keep incomplete. If you write it with me when I am writing on the board, then only if you write, you will understand what it is. Okay, and the homework, what you have to do, it is in the textbook only, in the textbook part. It is the textbook only, no need to write anywhere, only the textbook part. It is fourth when you have to underline the pronouns. Okay, thank you, students.